nowadays when anyone is clicking, if he's really ticking, then they say he's cooking with gas. Makes no difference what he may be doing, if he's really stewing, that's the way he's cooking with gas. It's a crazy phrase that seems to me to be insane, and if you don't know what I mean, then I will try to explain. When you hear Glenn Miller's band get solid in the brass, that is jive that's really live because they're cooking with gas. When Joe Louis stays right up there in the champion class, I've a hunch it's not his punch, it's 'cause he's cooking with gas. Joe DiMaggio swats a ball, it's 23 skidoo. They all dodge 'cause Joe DiMaggio is a really cooking too. When that good old Army team begins to forward pass, you can bet that each cadet is really cooking with gas. We were in the doldrums, everything at 10s and 12s. Then Franklin D said,